We have one headlight bucket, not two. Another thing, we gotta put the new motor in. Put the flash on? Oh, I look light skin. Mustang number 3.
Rolls, this one rolls too.
Final countdown, y'all. Final countdown. We're working on the last one. Got the front end all put together on the white one. Just gotta get the bumper all situated.
Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
What the hell is that?
Because I saw that thing. That thing came in here when I was on the couch.
Oh yeah. Another thing, we gotta put the new motor in. Put the flash on? Oh, I look light skin. So yeah, this Mustang is almost done. I gotta buff up the front bumper, make it look pretty. And she'll be done, y'all. Drop the 289 in. 351 is in this one. Throw the seats in. We're good to go. So as you can see, we have one headlight bucket, not two. One, not two. It's all good though. But yeah, gotta put the door on. Paint the other jam maybe, I don't know. But yeah, she's all one color. I'll put the wheels on and stuff tomorrow. And yeah, both cars will be looking cute together. I got a black one and a white one. So yeah, just gotta get this kind of, you know, up on there. Got one side on, but gotta get the other side on. But this car is pretty much done. Gotta put the glass in. We'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna start painting this one. Got it all prepped and ready. Get some sand, yeah, I got that. Address all that first, but yeah, she's just about ready to get painted up. Gotta bolt this door on because it's not on.
Boy, what? Then I put Lord have mercy, G. You gonna have niggas shooting at me in this motherfucker. Them niggas gonna think I'm a threat already.
All right, about to wrap it up for the day. I ain't gonna lie. I wish I had more time to do this correctly, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. The white car, I didn't finish putting the bumper on. Black car, I just realized I don't have the other headlight bucket, so I gotta order one. It kinda sucks. That's all good. She's one color though.
So, next day, I asked, the next day.
Rolls, this one rolls too. I need to get some more WOLFHOUSE shirts, man.
Back.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Look, Coco. Look, Coco. Look, Coco. Mustang 3 is looking okay. Okay. See y'all next time. Goodbye. That was beautiful, isn't it?